Alright, so before this video gets started, if you're interested in becoming an Uber driver and you want to get a sign-on bonus, use the link in the description below. Alright everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thanks so much for coming by. As you can see, I got my fresh white long sleeve. This shirt has been selling like crazy recently. This one is the most popular one by far in the merch store, so if you want that, click the link in the description. Today's video, guys, this is something that is super urgent that I need to talk about, so sorry that my hair is literally a mess. I'm currently working on a paper for school, but I just wanted to get this video out super quickly because this is urgent. I have been getting a lot of emails, a lot of people asking me about Uber Pro, and because as you guys know, let me just pull up the article really quick and so I can show you guys. This is gonna be basically a two-part video. First, I'm gonna talk about the news that came out that Uber is expanding Uber Pro into 20 more cities, and then I'm also going to have my friend talk about what exactly Uber Pro is, just in case it's not in your city or if it just expanded, so you know exactly what it is. So I hope that makes sense. So first I'm gonna talk about the news that just came out and what I think, and then I'm gonna have my friend explain it all. It's gonna be all in one video, so just watch through the end, or yeah, so you don't miss anything. All right, so here it is. Uber expands its driver rewards program to 20 more cities. Long criticized for how it treats its driver, Uber wanted to show that it was ready to take a step forward. So yeah, basically, my thoughts that were, since Uber was heading into their IPO and a lot of drivers were a little bit, frustrated, that Uber created this program in order to help drivers, and Uber wanted to kind of pay it back, so that it's like a reward system, and also, not hiding the fact that Uber wants its drivers to drive with them more than Lyft. So they incentivize their drivers to stay with them, and rather than doing both apps, they want their drivers just to do Uber so they can hit their bonuses and stuff in Uber Pro. So let's see. Here we go, right here. Uber Pro, the driver loyalty program that rewards high ratings and low cancellation rates. So yeah, after testing in 10 cities, I believe that was in November. So, sorry, I'm getting a text here that, oh, my buddy is, got an interview for a good job, so he won't be in class today. Anyways, so Uber in last November Uber last November tested out Uber Pro in 10 cities as kind of like a pilot program, and then now today they actually launched it into 20 more cities. So now in total, Uber Pro's in 30 cities, including San Francisco, where I am, as well as Los Angeles, where I also drive sometimes, New York, Houston, Atlanta, Las Vegas, Austin, Dallas, and Baltimore. The company estimates over 120,000 drivers will be eligible for the top build perk, free college tuition at Arizona State University. Exactly, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I talked about before, and then that's what Nick is gonna talk about soon. Sorry, my coffee is ready. I don't know if you guys drink coffee, but I make a French press every day. It's one of the best ways to make coffee besides a pour over. So I just gotta push that down, and then yeah, I'll be ready to go. But anyways, guys, so yeah, Uber has 4 categories: partner, gold, platinum, and diamond. I'm not gonna go too much into it. I'm gonna let Nick explain most of it. But yeah, so Uber is also expanding internationally, starting with tests in Mexico. So that's pretty nuts. Oh yeah, and then it's going for Uber Eats delivery drivers as well. So if you just do, yeah, this is the ASU thing. There's a partnership with ASU, so drivers can get free tuition for them or for their family member, which is actually pretty cool. Tuition is expensive, so Starbucks also has similar. These bonuses come in the amount of 100, 500, 1,000, or 10,000 based on the number of trips. Oh, you guys already got those. But yeah, guys, what do I think about it? I mean, honestly, I'm pretty optimistic about it. I know a lot of people kind of think of it as a joke, but I actually think it's great, and I think it's a great opportunity for drivers to hit those bonuses and make more money. And then, you know, you also get like cool perks like the free tuition, and it's like you get money off your gas, maintenance, like you get like roadside assistance. There's a bunch of different perks. Nick is going to talk all about that, but for the main part, I think it's providing a lot of opportunities for people, especially hands down alone in the tuition. But regardless, if it's not in your city yet, it will probably be coming soon. And you know, it's up to you. If you want to drive both Uber and Lyft and not do this whole Uber Pro thing, that's fine. You know, you won't really notice a difference. So I don't think it's like a negative thing at all. I mean, I would say it could only be positive, but if you don't want to pay attention to, you know, the perks and stuff, don't even look at it, and you won't even notice a difference, and you can still drive Uber and Lyft if you want. And if you want to do Uber and Lyft, you can use my links in the description to get your bonus. That's what I always recommend. Just get your bonuses for each app, and then pick whatever one you like better. But anyways, now I'm gonna hand it over to Nick, and he's gonna go over everything in the Uber Pro app. So, all right, thank you guys.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Nick Newsome. Dylan asked me to do another video for the channel. I'm going to do a video talking about the new Uber Pro app and the features that you're going to find on there and some of the rewards benefits. They're really cool, they're really interesting. But before we get into the video, if you want to become a driver, use the link below, and so you can sign up. You can get a driver bonus for driving for Uber or for Lyft. So check that out, okay? So in this video, I'm going to start recording my screen, and we'll check out the new app. So here we go. All right, so you'll have up top here in the first section of the Uber Pro partner details. You'll see from February 1 to May 1 is your qualifying period, and let's see, I have to get a total of 442 or more points to give great service to unlock gold rewards. Let's see the details. I'm at 158 points so far. I don't expect to get any higher than gold. I'll probably reach gold, but they do have a platinum and a diamond ranking, which I found was pretty cool. All right, so earn points. I get 1 point for every trip, and 3 points for trips at specified hours. Here's your progress this period. 1 point trips 26, 3 point trips 44. See when 3 point. Okay, so you can see when you're getting. You know, what your trips are, what you're doing for trips. Let's see, give great service. So it is required to have a 4.85 star rating, and you have to have a less than or equal to a 4% cancellation rate. I have a 7% cancellation rate. I'm not surprised by that. I do cancel on rides a lot, or have them cancel on me, and I think that counts. I think if the rider cancels on you, it's based on trips you accept, but then canceled in the last 3 months. If you cancel at the pickup location because the rider doesn't show, or due to safety concerns, it doesn't count against your rate. Okay, so, but I do have riders cancel on me a lot of times if I'm too far away and things of that nature. So, get rewards. Let's see, 600 points for gold. For platinum, they have 1,200 points, and for diamond, you need 1,800 points. And all the rankings are based in a 3-month period. So you have to have great service and do, you know, X amount of rides. All right, my partner reward. So let's see, in the first section, we have your partner rewards. Right now I'm getting 1.5% cash back on gas and up to 25% back on car maintenance. Whoopity-doo. Whoopity-doo. Big deal. All right. Oh, step up to gold. Now, oh, we got new promotions. Let's check out the promotions. All right, here we go. Ooh, so partner. Okay, so it gives them all. So for 60 trip quest promotion, if you're a partner, which is like the base, you get $50 per 60 trip quest. If you're at gold status, you get 65. If you're at platinum, you get 70, and diamond is $75 per trip, or you know, per 60 trip, which is pretty good. That's a nice little bonus there. Do you want to learn more? What's in the learn more? Okay, nothing. All right, I'm going back. Get out of here. Uh-oh, it's frozen. No! No! Go back. It's frozen. All right, one more. Can we go back? All right, good. All right, there we go. Ooh, look at these other things. So you get more trip information. Let's see what that's about. I don't know, maybe my internet connection is slow. So provide reliable service by maintaining an acceptance rate of 85% or higher to unlock this reward. So it's going to tell you the length of your trip or more info about the trip. For example, the estimated trip time is 20 minutes. Okay. So you can see if it's a long trip or not. If you don't want to take it, you can decline it, but which will then hurt your acceptance rate. So it's kind of like, I don't know, it's kind of like a bogus reward. I don't really know about that. So you get more trip information, and then you also get 100% tuition coverage at ASU Online. That's pretty cool. So if you want to get educated and get out of the Uber game, there you go. There's some help for you right there. Drivers who complete 3,000 lifetime trips and have platinum or diamond status can enroll and get tuition coverage. That's pretty cool. That's a good benefit. How it works for you or a family member. Oh, earn credits toward an undergraduate degree. Improve your English skills. For those non-English speaking people, there you go. That's pretty good. I like it. I think that Uber did a good thing by signing on with that program. Priority support. Okay, let's check it out. How it works. Contact Uber via help or phone to reach priority support team. Requests answered by Uber's most highly trained agents. Whatever. It sounds like a bunch of BS. Sorry. Don't mean to be negative. Free 24-hour roadside assistance. Okay, that's pretty cool. Recognition in the Riders app. Ooh, recognition. You've been recognized. Get recognition on your profile. Riders will see your status and profile in their app. Ooh, they can see if you're a gold member, platinum, or diamond. Uber Pro Gold. Dad, basketball and hiking. Speaks English and Spanish from Vancouver, Canada. All right. Recognition. Platinum. Ooh, platinum. Up to 4% back on gas. I like that one. And then C trip duration. I think that's the same thing we just saw in the gold status. But let's see. Oh, how it works. It tells you if it's a 20-minute trip. Great. All right, and then Diamond Quest promotion. Let's go to Diamond. We're moving to Diamond. Is there anything cool in there? No, just the Quest promotion. Okay. Same thing we just saw. Oh, complimentary dent repair. How big's the dent, though? What if somebody, like, bashes in your car? Sign into Car Advise with your Uber account. Get your dent repair policy number. Call the number. Dent repair from Dent Defender covers paintless dent repairs, which includes removal of dings, dents, and creases within an area located on a single panel of the vehicle that does not exceed the size of a traditional credit card. Oh, no bigger than a credit card. There you go. So if somebody kicks in your side panels or your door, and that dent is bigger than a credit card, it looks like you gotta pay for that yourself. And we got some other things going on down here. We got the Uber Visa debit card. That's just not part of Uber Pro. So there you go. There's the Uber Pro app tutorial. I hope you liked it. Once again, you know, I'm Nick Newsom. I do have a channel. If you want to see more tips and other just information on driving for Uber, I've documented some of the things that I do. I drive in the Boston market area. I drive for you know, Lyft and Uber, and I drive in the XL and premium packages. Also, don't forget, if you want to become a new driver, use the link below and sign up so you can get a bonus for signing up and driving. All right. Well, hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming back to the Rideshare Hub, and I hope to see you soon.